Ecovacs' first ever truly edge-mopping and tangle-free robot. Deebot T30 Omni. Brand new True Edge adaptive edge mopping technology. Equipped with a revolutionary continuously variable mop extender and advanced omnidirectional perception system. Makes Deebot T30 automatically retract the mop plates, achieving an exceptional 1 mm edge proximity and expanding the cleaning coverage up to 100%. Coupled with a 9 mm auto lift mopping technology and a powerful 11,000 pass suction, T30 effortlessly addresses the challenges of carpet cleaning. With zero tangle, T30 boasts a dual comb teeth array and an anti-static V-shaped roller brush, achieving a tangling rate as low as 0%. T30 works with Google Assistant and Alexa. True Mapping 2.0 offers a 360-degree global scan, mapping your home environment in just 6 minutes. Apart from the remarkable vacuum and mop capability, T30 is also equipped with compact water tank and smart rework program, elevating the cleaning efficiency to new heights. Featuring the smallest ever mini Omni station, Deebot T30 saves 30% space, yet remains incredibly powerful performance with automated dust collection, 70 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, and 2-hour hot air drying. Brings a pure Brilliance performance to your home. Deebot T30 Omni. Edge clean, tangle-free, pure Brilliance.